This session is called Bringing Together Languages, Literacy, Numeracy and Health and Wellbeing. It is a very quick overview and there are individual resources and PowerPoints to support each curricular area. The aims are to understand the two-way process whereby languages can support other areas of the curriculum and they can in turn support languages. Also to look at the key ideas that will get you started and what it looks like in the classroom and where you can go to access further support. The starting point is really to think about what we are trying to achieve when we're learning a language and how this therefore connects to other areas of the curriculum. We can then look at what is normally taught within an example program of work. For instance, this is the P1 to 7 program of work from Power Language Schools that is used across Highland. And you can perhaps start to think about how these topics lend themselves to other areas of the curriculum. The next thing really is to think about the other areas of the curriculum and their key principles. And here we've got keywords for literacy, numeracy, and health and well-being. And then we can start to see the links with these and languages. That sets the scene really for integrating languages across the curriculum. In terms of in the classroom, here are some top tips to make it manageable and accessible and just to get you started. Here we can see a process for planning, delivering and evaluating teaching and learning. And this can be used when we're teaching any topic or working across different curriculum areas. That process can also be put into key questions that you can ask yourself, which might be more helpful in terms of getting to the nitty-gritty of what you're actually doing and how you're going to teach it. The next few slides show some case studies of where you could start, looking at early, first and second level. The starting point for early is the French language. The starting point for first level is the other curricular area, and here it's numeracy. And for second level, the starting point is an interdisciplinary topic, trying to contextualize learning and bring everything together. And for each, there's a question and a possible example activity. If we want to think carefully about how we put this into practice, here are some very simple examples for literacy, numeracy, and health and well-being. And you'll probably have a lot more, but this just gives you an overview. You might like to try this workshop activity of listening and watching this video and thinking about how you could bring in the different areas of the curriculum. If you would like further support, then you can look at these different links across Highland Council and across Scotland. You might like to note down 2 things now that you're going to do as a result of this training session. And if you've got any further questions, please feel free to get in touch. Bonne chance. Merci.